Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the card was actually activated at checkout. Check the receipt for activation text and transaction ID, and read the card's back for the right number and PIN entry method. If you bought online, verify the confirmation email. Once done, make sure the card is not expired and that you're entering numbers exactly, no extra spaces or letters. If the retailer failed to activate, you'll need that proof to proceed with the only reliable fix. Next, call the issuer's customer support number right on the card. You'll state the card number and give the receipt or transaction ID, say you need an activation or balance check. You're doing more than asking, you're documenting. Note the agent's name, reference number, and time. If they find the card inactive, request immediate electronic activation or a manual reset. If they confirm funds but systems won't accept it, demand a replacement card tied to the same balance. Finally, escalate if frontline support does not resolve the issue. Ask for a supervisor and request a replacement card issued against your proof of purchase. Make sure they email or text a written confirmation of the balance and the action taken. Try the card on a different terminal or online checkout to isolate point-of-sale problems. If things still fail, file a formal complaint with the issuer. Keep all receipts and screenshots, and use that documentation to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.